either Revit is incapable or the architect is incapable of getting appropriate information into the Revit model in order to tender it.
I'm so happy right now.
Is that why we would not tender a model?
Exactly. Like I said, it opens Pandora's box. That's what you do. Now, when the job is done, and you've got that, then yeah, of course, give the Revit model to the GC. He wants to open up and spin around in that sense. But like tendering, again, this is why the PDFs are required, because that's what forms the contract.
Okay, so the contract's formed by PDFs or information on the PDFs?
The information on the PDFs, that's right.
Okay, so is there more information in the robust model environment, or is there less information?
Well, it's how you're documenting it, right?
Information's there. So could there be a contract BIM model? And at some point, actually the only thing that would keep a BIM model from being the contract is the specification.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because if a specification says the contract, like if a contract reads, the BIM model is the contract document for this, then it would become the contract document. Now, the difficulties that surround that is, yes, I mean, the architect is now liable for things that they wouldn't have previously been liable for because, I model every day.
Mm-hmm.
I understand.
Workarounds are had.
I understand the workarounds. Yeah, like there are things.
Yes.
Though I have cut my teeth and come through an environment that has been much different in my experience than Revit. Since the inception of our company, we've worked in 3D, and we've always understood that what we put in the model is what will be built. Right? So if you want it right, you make it right in the model.
100%.
And then the drawing is a representation of the model.
That.
Nothing more. It's just a representation. It's a portal into the model. So your 3D views, where you're calling out all of the millwork that are being tagged, should be appropriately tagged within what's in the Revit model. What you would hope as a general contractor is that those designers that have preceded you and are handing that 3D asset over to you, they have done a good job, that they've modeled to a level of accuracy that allows you to utilize it for layout, that they have modeled it to a level of accuracy to allow inquiry, that they've put in enough care that they will tell you where the gray areas are. And so we're talking 50 years.
Yeah.
And I know we're a stagnant industry, but I'm not seeing the rate of change actually going linear right now. I think some of my theory is based on rate of change is actually on a hockey stick, and that's being driven by AI. So because of that, I think, will PDF be around? Yeah. I mean, paper's still around. PDF will still be around. Documentation through PDF will still be around. I think it'll still be a useful thing. Paper will still be a useful thing. Because, I mean, if you've been in the field trying to work off a tablet, paper is useful sometimes. But
it's going to be more archival at that point, right?
There could be
50 years from now, it could be
element.
archival or something along those lines. Yeah.